G'day. Well, I've just come for a drive out along the railway works. I just want to show you the water that's actually rising from the rain last night. This is how quick it's coming up. So this is coming from Lloyd's Creek, or Charlotte Street Creek. Lloyd's Creek Road's up there, it'll be cut for sure if there's this much water coming across the soccer fields here. Like, it absolutely poured overnight. And I can say that for sure because I've been awake since 12 o'clock. I've been listening to the downpours of rain. I'm going to get cut off, but life's an adventure. You've got to have some fun. I'm going to walk out here. Alright, I don't feel like running around. I'm going to have to move quick, otherwise I'm going to get cut off. Yup. Whew. Lots and lots of rain. Alright, I'm going. Have a good day wherever you are and stay dry.